everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to do illustration with alcoholic based markers. This video is mainly for beginners who wanted to learn illustration with alcoholic markers. Here the markers which I have used is from Thankyou's company. The first color which I am using here for base coloring is vermilion. The shade is from orange hue family. Firstly, do the base coloring with the light shade of the color which you wanted to do. The second color which I have used to give first shading is red wine. Don't hide the mid-tones. Give the shading on the corners of the garment. These markers deliver vibrant color and intensity. The good point of these markers is that they are resistant to fading. Their intensity along with their fluid inks make them perfect for creating realistic images such as portraits and abstract images. For designers and illustrators, it is used mainly for illustrations. They are not water soluble. Paper that weighs 7 to 250 GSM are ideal for these markers. I have used the light shade of magenta, which is pale purple, for the cuff of the sleeves. Now I am giving the black shading using black color marker at the sides of the garment. And lastly, I have used orange color, which is complementary to base color, to give the final look. again I am using black color for touching up just to give the finishing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay tuned for another tutorial. Thank you for watching.